In this video, let us write the C program to implement the function x to the power of y without using the built-in library. In C, there is a built-in library function called power, which does exactly the same function. In order to see in detail what is this x to the power of y, let us take an example. Here 2 to the power of 3 is getting expanded as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, that is 2 will get multiplied 3 times, and the resultant value is 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, and again 4 multiplied by 2 will give us 8. So 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8. So we will implement this functionality in our C code without using the built-in library function provided by C. Before we write our own function, we will first use the built-in library function of C and then write our own function for x to the power of y. So let x and y be the two values we will get from the console. So to get x and y, we will give information using printf, and scanf will be used to fetch the value from the input provided by the user. I have declared x and y as double and the result variable also double, so that it can cover all ranges, both decimal values and integer values. Since x and y are double float, we have used format percentage of 1f to get values of x and y. After getting the values of x and y, we will store the power of x comma y to the variable result. We have to note that this power x comma y is the built-in library provided by the C, which does the functionality of x to the power of y. Now for this power of x comma y, we will write our own function. Before writing our own function, let us execute using C library and see the results. Then we will write or replicate the power of x comma y by our own function. So we are going to print result of x to the power of y is equal to the value we get. As power of x comma y is a built-in C library, we will include a header file math.h. This math.h has this function defined. The function is power x comma y is defined in math.h. On execution, let me give the value of 2 to the power of 3, and the result of 2 to the power of 3 is 8. We got the expected result by using built-in C library. Now we will go on and write our own function, that is without using the built-in library. Let me also put some places number of digits to be displayed after decimal point to 1 digit. As we are going to write our own function, let me call that function as function underscore power. And this is not part of the built-in library, so we can remove the math.h include. Function underscore power shall take two input parameters which are double, and it will return the data of double. So this is the function definition. First we have to check if the power of here b is equal to 0. If in mathematics, if a number to the power of 0 is equal to 1, hence we are checking for this condition. If b is equal to 0, we have to return 1. Else we will do a recursive call to the same function, that is function underscore power, by passing a, that is x, to the power will get decremented by 1. And the result is a will get multiplied b number of times, which will result in getting x to the power of y, where the value of a is multiplied b number of times. So now we will compile it. This is without using built-in library, and the result of 2 to the power of 3 is 8. We will do one more execution with the value of 5 to the power of 6, and the resultant is 15,625. We will do one more little bigger number. Value of x, I am entering it as 20 to the power of 7. So 20 to the power of 7 is really a bigger number, 128 followed by 7 times. So our program can do x to the power of y without using the built-in C library.